Hello, everyone. Did you ever hear the blizzard of 1978? I was 14 years old when the blizzard hit. I remember the whole town shut down totally. Electric was out. A lot of people didn't have any heat. And the mail must be delivered, even in a blizzard. No school for anyone either. A lot of people thought it was fun to get out on their snowmobiles. Driving was treacherous. Most people walked or rode their snowmobiles. And here's his truck. He was buried. Took a lot of effort to get him out of there. He survived. He was one tough guy. We were thankful to have a fireplace. Kept us warm. A time when neighbors were really helping each other out. I'd say that's no parking, right? Brr. A lot of the kids went to the elderly homes to check on everyone. I sat at the window looking out most of the time. Took a long time to clean it all up. Once again, neighbors helping neighbors. Oh boy. The storm even broke out windows in the downtown businesses. Plow and salt on the way. The photographer was not named in any of these pictures.